Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content as I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So it's Tuesday the 13th of August today, and if you follow me on Twitter, you'll have just seen me tweet out about the Euro-Swiss bias bar that's forming this evening. I've just tweeted out about that a second ago. And once again, I'm going to take a trade with you live today, and we're going to be using the higher time frame bias bar strategy to actually take this trade. Now, before we go any further and I get this order placed, I just very quickly like to point out that I won't be sharing the strategy in full with you in this video, but if you would like to learn this, you can download the strategy guide over at the Join My Community page of the website, and I'll put a link to that page in the description for you. So again, here we are on Euro-Swiss, EURCHF. Sorry, I'm just glancing very quickly at the monthly chart. Yep, okay. And if we come back over, we've actually got a bias bar forming here on the daily chart. Now, as my high time frame bias bar strategy is completely mechanical and rule based, with this bias bar in front of us, all we now need to do is follow the strategy rules, and these tell us exactly where to place an order to buy the market and exactly where to put both our take profit and our stop loss. So first things first, we're targeting the prior low. So I'll get my target marked first of all, there we go. And now let me get the entry point parameter mapped very quickly. And I'm just going to blur my screen whilst I do this, which should only take just a second, so bear with me. And I'll get this mapped. Okay, there we go. And with the entry level, the take profit level and the stop loss level mapped, we can now get our order placed before we walk away and leave this alone entirely. And see, that's the major benefit of trading mechanical strategies, and in particular the bias bar strategy, because when we've placed this order, we're completely done. And we let the trade run to either stop or target, which prevents us from tampering with the trade, adjusting the parameters based on emotional decision making, and overall it just makes trading a hell of a lot simpler and a lot more straightforward when you have a framework in place like we do here that provides edge over the market. So let me get the order placed, and we want to buy 108.72 spot 9 with a stop 1 pip below the low and a target of, again, the prior lows, and we're aiming for, what is this, a 2.7R win if we can get there. And by the way, just very quickly, if you are enjoying this video today, it would be great if you take just a quick second to share this video via Facebook or via Twitter, or perhaps send it to a friend who will enjoy it. That would really help me if that's okay with you. So that's us done and dusted, rules followed, order placed, and believe it or not, that's all that's required. So no scanning the markets, no technical analysis, no hours of marking trend lines and top-down analysis or assessing news events and so on. We just identify our bias bar, follow the strategy rules, place an order, which just took, what, 2 minutes, and we walk away. Honestly guys, trading can be this simple when you have a strategy like this that is statistically proven to provide edge. From therein, you just follow the rules. Anyway, I'll leave this alone for now, and I'll come back to you with an update as and when the order gets filled. Back soon. Right, just back, and just a very quick update on the Euro-Swiss long. I've just noticed that we've been filled, and we seem to be turning around, heading back upwards now, so looking good so far. But as ever, there's nothing to do here but sit on our hands and let this hopefully turn around, head upwards and towards target. So I'll pause this again for now. I'll keep an eye on this trade, and I'll come back to you with an update later on. Back soon. Right, just back, and I've just noticed we've been stopped out on this trade now, which is quite disappointing actually, because this was a real textbook setup for the higher time frame bias bar strategy. But there you go. Stop outs happen even when trading with edge, even when trading a proven strategy. And I am still going to get this video up and online because I think it is really important to share with people that we all have losing trades, we all have losing days, and this is one of them. But as always, and as I always say, next trade, we book the loss and we get back to it and we move forward. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed taking another trade with me live today via the high time frame bias bar strategy. I'll leave it there for today, and as always, trade with edge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks everyone.